All right. That's it, Levi.
I'm sorry. You're fine.
Get 5. That's 5. That's 5. Oh, come on.
Hey, good job, baby. Watch your corner, watch your corner.
They're in the zone. They're in the zone.
The whole time. You gotta grab that, son. You gotta grab it.
Oh, come on.
Come on, guys. Come on, focus.
Jeez. Oh.
Hey, watch outside, little Franco. Don't get beat. Yeah, oh no. Bounce right back up.
Oh, come on. Called a foul on George. Every other game that's a jump ball. Drew! Oh. Jeez Louise. That's it, Levi! Yeah, they got it.
He's doing a flasher over there.
I don't think he's doing it on purpose.
No.
Where's that lady at North Canton? 1, 2. He did. They said he was over the line. Short.
Let's go! Hey, look down!
That's it, Logan. Yes.
Wide open. Come on, let's go!
Didn't he just say off a white?
Set off the black foot.
I thought he said off a white foot. Good, Grant.
Do it, there it goes. Tag, move the ball. Move the ball, y'all.
I'm out on that
Let's
guy.
go. All right, play D. Play D. Let's go. Play D, y'all. Come on. Ain't no way. Come on, y'all. Move your feet.
Make a layup. Jeez.
Let's see if he doesn't like it.
Why is he standing so far back now?
Get that shooter!
There you go. Hey, now we gotta play D.
Help him, help him, help him. Go get it, go get it. Guys.
That's like that.
He's not paying attention.
Watching the kid another day.
No, you can't hit
There you
that.
go. Good job. Good job.
Get it, Levi, get it. Hustle back, guys.
You got it, and then change, but one offense, and it goes on to back and you still haven't decided you want to do it.
Jeez, what is going on?
So, you couldn't do anything, you just took a nice.
That's it, Levi. Knock it down. That's on Alex.
No, it was the night. So they were gonna let it go back.
He will.
And he's supposed to be going to counseling. Whenever they get back. I think Brenda went there too. She went in a visit somewhere, but now she does it on Zoom. She really likes it. I don't know where it is.
Good luck. Good. Don't foul. Don't foul. Don't foul. Don't foul. Don't foul.
Yeah, she told me that yesterday.
That should have been on Alex.
Try to figure it out. Like, oh, I assumed I was dropping these off and then I didn't have my head. I had a few hours. So friends are going to keep me on Tuesday and Wednesday. So we still those plans. I was scheduled to work in the morning on Wednesday. I knew I could only do it.
Guys, they can shoot.
Then I'll have all of them Friday, Saturday.
Beat him to the back.
Jeez.
One's got to go out there. What is that, 6 maybe?
Oh. Yeah. I mean, he's missed every layup. He's got to forget about it, though. That's it, Alex. Look, to shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it, Logan. Oh.
Bummer.